Scrap the Pony Boy 1840.
Carson, shut up. So he likes to interrupt my
Videos.
intros. And today we will be playing...
Isn't it I?
Shut up. And today I will be playing from the creators of Oh Bibby. Bye Bye.
You don't even know how to say the name of the game.
No, the name is called SUP.
No.
The creators is Bibby.
You sure? That's how you pronounce it.
Actually, it's Bye Bye.
Look up how to pronounce it.
It is Bye Bye.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Is that why you said baby?
No.
Yeah, you're not sure.
God, shut up. And I'm gonna open up a couple of chests. Race for as long as I can. Hopefully, my goal is to get another car in this episode. Sorry, my voice is a little bit cracky if it cracks. But, I'm gonna try to get new car, at least one in this episode. Maybe a new print. Ooh, I want that car. I don't know what it is, but I want it. And as you all know, last time, in my racer chest, I got a new vehicle, which was amazing. What am I doing? What? No, go back. I don't want to. Go watch the good one. I've actually gotten an epic chest before. Create tracks. If you all would, please join the Guild Midnight Phoenixes.
He has no friends.
What? Shut up! I have friends. You're my friend, Zach Neely. Exposed.
Zach Blake Neely?
Zach Blake Neely is my friend.
Tobin.
It does say Tobin. Thomas.
Beethoven.
Thomas.
What is his middle name?
I don't know. He's never told us.
Michael Thomas.
Yeah, Zay Michael Thomas. That's what it was. You two are so mysterious. What's wrong with you two? I'm gonna be racing with my new car.
No, you don't have no car.
I got a new car. That's my new one.
What's it pink?
You can't change the color. I just got it because...
It's pink.
No, I didn't... I got it out of a chest.
Pink chest?
No, it was a racer chest.
Racer pink chest.
It's not pink, it's yellow. Okay. Actually, it's more orange.
I swear there's pink on that.
There is pink on the car. It's orange and pink. Shut up about pink. Please excuse my friend. He's a doofus.
You do not swallow me, right?
Okay, then I'm a lower organism. I am a microscopic, idiotic human.
A lower organism?
Yes.
A microscopic, idiotic human. You're not microscopic, man. You're normal size, or you're, well, almost, you're...
Shut up! Okay, Carson is 6'2" without his shoes on.
Yeah, that's not that special.
I'm 5'2" with my shoes on.
And my height's not that special, especially growing up.
Well, let's see. When you were in 3rd grade, you were nearly freaking 4 inches taller than I am now. In 3rd grade.
Yeah, they don't know what grade you are now. Or actually they do, concerning
yeah.
They argue.
Shut up. Carson likes to make fun of me all the time. Say that I have no friends. Ooh, a gold chest. I don't have friends.
Ooh, chest.
Will you shut up? You would understand if you realized what this game was. You've never played it.
Yeah.
You never will.
What's up, bro?
What?
What's up, bro?
What about SUP?
What's up, bro?
SUP.
What's
Yeah, I know. SUP's the game.
I know that. You told me that like multiple times.
Told you that twice.
No, you told me
Because I wanted you to play
that
it,
was
but
2 times today. You told me yesterday too.
shut up. Yeah.
It's so easy making me mad.
Yeah, because I have anger issues. You should see my dad. He's a
I have
racist
some
piece of
of them.
crap. Huh?
I have some of those. I still have your viewers. All of your viewers, I saw your dad. Okay, I'll stop now, stop.
I hate you so much. Just so you know what he's talking about, my only subscriber is myself.
I know, that's what I mean.
I know. I was talking to my viewers. Which is me. Yep, I would like to talk to myself all the time. I do it all the time. She's like, what's wrong with this guy? Okay, if you are that guy, please.
Before you die.
Then please do not be like that guy that was just right there.
Where?
Like he was on the screen. He hops out of. He does like a quadra.
Calm down. You want to fight, bro?
No, I don't want to fight. You can probably pick up 3 of me.
Is that why you're throwing to punch me?
I said, did you hear me?
Yeah, I heard you. You said.
Did you hear me?
Yes.
Did you hear me? He slapped me. He slapped me again. Ooh. If I ever figure out, god dang it, Carson, please stop. I'm gonna try to set up my phone that way you all can see my TV screen and his.
What?
When we're playing Advanced Warfare and stuff. That way,
So you get wrecked.
Shut up!
I'm not playing with you as a little watching. Because I'm raging. And like.
So, I'm the only one that's gonna watch this.
Yeah, I'll go out there and just like I say, boo, you suck, the other dude was better.
I dare you to do that. I dare you. Then I get another view. And I might have enough to get.
No, you won't. You have 3 views.
Oh my god. Did you all just see that? Of course you saw that because it's just me. I just jumped over. Okay, I think he's having an orgasm.
Caesar? Caesar salad? Caesar salad?
Orgasm.
Caesar salad?
Shut up! I like the map because I just jumped over it. God dang it, it keeps on giving me freaking coins. I don't want coins. What does this have to do with reverse flash and flash?
I said flash, I didn't say anything about reverse flash. Zoom.
Shut up about the wasp, okay?
Zoom.
Zoom! Gotta go fast! Sorry, I'm idiotic even though I'm talking to myself. Even though my parents did say they were gonna watch this. What is up, Troubler Nick? I'm just kidding. Sorry, I talk to myself a lot. I don't have a girlfriend. Oh, I couldn't do it. It's not fair. I want it. If any of you in the comments, please tell me what the frick this reverse coin does.
Hunts down all that regular coins like reverse flash and the flash.
Wow, I just blew myself up. That was helpful. Finally, more parts. I want to get that car. That's the last car you get, I'm pretty sure. I'm gonna see how close I am to get him a racer chest. Wait, crap. Oh, wait, but, I might possibly, if Carson will play tomorrow, then I might end up. Carson?
I'm not gonna play tomorrow.
Well, my other friend, Garrett, Carson's brother, might
Garrett
play
is
with me.
not your friend.
Yes, he is.
Okay.
Fine, then Carlos will play with me.
He's not here.
I don't care. I will go get my fellow Mexican.
Put nothing on the wall.
What? Shut up, you racist piece of crap. Yeah, you are. You said you're just gonna build a wall to block him out.
I never said that. I said don't climb the wall. Idiot. And there's no wall to climb, so I don't know why I was being racist.
Because there's a wall next to my house.
There's walls in your house. Ones that you can't climb.
I can climb them if I want. I can break the ceiling.
Hey, boy.
Boy.
Break the ceiling.
I got first place. And I blew up everybody else. Well, just that guy.
Racing by yourself.
No, I'm not racing by myself.
Are you sure? I mean, you got first place. Must have been something.
What? Every time I make an accomplishment, why do you have to be like that?
By the way,
every time I get
it's been
first...
12 minutes.
I know.
Do you?
I've been freaking counting down, you doofus. Yes, I have.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm gonna open my racer chest now. Please, please, get enough to get a new car. Yes, new car! I'm pretty sure. Yes. God dang it, Carson, you jinxed me. Event race discount. Gold, 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 gold. Perfect. Wow, that was actually not a lot of gold. I only got 8,000 from that. Well, I will see you all in the next episode. Bye-bye! In 2 seconds, as soon as I do